Hey, you guys. All right, so really quick, you're going to need Adobe Acrobat. It's going to look like this up here. Seriously, ignore my background here. Not the background, because that is the cutest little teenager that you'll ever see, plus the dog, even though there's stuff in the way. I think everybody should take a moment and just appreciate the awesomeness. Anyway, over here. Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have that, come down here and search it, I think. Yeah, just search it, okay? Because you're going to need to open that. So then, you guys, there's probably a better way, smarter way to do this, but Brooke, you don't know me. Linda Shelley, you do. You know that I'm not smart. I can't figure out how to make the screen bigger, so I have to keep dragging it around. Oh my gosh. Okay, but anyway, so here we go. When you get here, you go to File and you go to Open. Because if you remember, you've already signed, or you've already had your conferences, right? Or you're currently having them or whatever. And you made that little folder on your desktop. So you're going to come here and you're going to open this. And I'm finding one particular one right here to show you. Okay. Don't show anybody this because I just realized there's names on this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Sorry. This is not private at all. Okay. So you need to come down here. Hopefully I'm not skipping a step. You download, you open, I'm trying to make sure. So then you're going to come down here, because we've already gone through all this, right? You had your meeting, yada, yada, yada. All right, so here we go. So I met with him, and I already looked at this. I'm not making this stuff up, even though you guys probably think I am. I met with him on the 17th. I have 1 minute before I have to get in class. We're over here on initial conference. The parent's name... Why would I remember the parent's name? It was like Karen or something like that. Yeah, it's that one. So what I do normally is copy it. Man, you guys, don't show anybody because I've got all kinds of confidential stuff here. And then you do that, okay? And then you put your name in there. Mine is Susan Mason. That's not your guys' name, so you can't put that there. Okay, that's the current teacher. So then you come down here and you sign. Well, the way that you sign is you come up here with this cute little pencil thing. And if you've not done it yet, it'll make you you can add an initial or you can add it. It'll let you do it for the first time is what I'm saying. But after you do it for the first time, it's going to save it. So then you just have to click it and drag it. Bammo, and then you come over here and you put today or that date on there, okay? October 17, 2023. This is going to be in the springtime, so you ignore this for right now. And then you're going to save as, because you need to replace that. And yes, it's right there. And yes, it's right there. Right? Yeah. In the desktop. I think I did one step too many. And then over here, right before well, it shouldn't say one. Oh my God, you guys. Okay. You put the word signed because you're done. Okay? Then you save it. Got it? I feel like I did something wrong there, but pretty much that's it. Okay?